How to add watermark in PDF. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So for this, we will be using an online tool which is called I Love PDF. So this is the website. This is easily available in your browser. Simply open it and search for ilovepdf.com. After that, you will see several options. You will also see a separate option called watermark. Simply go over there. Then select your PDF file. After that, select the watermark you want to insert into your PDF and it will automatically add that watermark into your PDF. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.